for your involvement in our first scene when you were cheering on Indiana Jones. You all did an amazing job. And of course, I've got to thank my honorary assistant directors one more time as well. They were absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, you guys. All right. Now, like Brian was saying, it is your turn to step further on into the story because we have a lot of action in our production. So we're going to need a tremendous amount of reaction from all of you. So, if you see something exciting, if you see something that puts you on the edge of your seat, we want you to clap. That's it. We want you to cheer. We want you to blow the roof off this place. Can you do it? There's my people. All right. Hey, Casey, are we ready to record? Excellent. For this first recording, when I say action, I need you all to throw your hands up in the air and scream as long and as loud as you can because you're falling into a pit of angry, venomous snakes. Ready? Action! Longer pit. All right, did we get it? Yes, we got it. Well done, everyone. Okay, so let me ask you something. How many of you have seen one or maybe all of the Indiana Jones movies? Raise your hands. All right, now keep those hands up if you were around in 1981 when the film debuted. Wow, we lost a lot of people there. All right. Well, you know there's always some humorous moments in those movies. So this time, when I say action, I need you to laugh, but not just a little giggle. I need a big, goofy belly laugh. Really keep it going. Don't stop until I yell cut. And I want you to try to be that one laugh that I hear above everybody else. Here we go. Action! And cut. Okay, that was weird. You all did an amazing job. You know what? I'm going to have you laugh again, but this time I need you to laugh like chipmunks, like Chip and Dale. All right? Action. Yeah, a little higher. Cut. That had nothing to do with an Indiana Jones film. I just wanted to see if you do it. You did an amazing job. Hey, you know what? Let's have us a little competition. Who can be louder? The oohs or the ahs? All right, I'm going to split you in the middle. From here over, you're the oohs. From here over, you're the ahs. Here we go. That's pretty good. I think that's better. You all did an amazing job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Hey, Brian. Brian, it's your turn.
All right.
Take over.
I love my turn. All right, folks, it's time to roll camera, but there's one more person I want you to meet. Kind of a big deal. Hey, boss.
Yes,
Right for you for a moment.
be right there. Check your stunts. I want to get this in one team. Let's go.
All right, here he comes, the director of the second unit, the stunt coordinator. He's my boss. He's Robert.
Right there. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you, Brian. Welcome to the set. We're shooting some very exciting stunt and action sequences today. And I think that's one of the great things about working on the Indiana Jones film. Those action sequences are thrilling. They can often be very dangerous, but I think we can all agree they look terrific on film, right? Sit back and enjoy it. I love that you're vocal. Keep that up. You're a part of our film shoot today, so thank you for doing that. Brian, let's go over camera. Just to be advised, you know, we had a lot of rain earlier. Buildings, I'm not going to shoot anything on the buildings right now. They're still a little slick, too dangerous to get up there. We're going to stay on the ground. And unfortunately, our airport scene, the third scene, the desert scene, also too slick and too dangerous. But we have a pyro fight scene right now. Let's talk camera work. Okay?
All right, boss. We have two cameras set up. We have camera B right over here with the dolly. Now, camera A, we're having trouble with getting this piece moved off.
I see that, yeah.
Camera A is behind there. It's going to be on the screen. We're going to roll camera A at 36 frames and 24.
Right.
That means the whip sequence you can have in slow motion, anything else.
Yeah, let's go and do that.
Usually you like the desert scene, scene 3, which is the airport scene.
Right.
Slow
That
motion,
one.
but no, we're not going to do that.
We're not shooting that scene right now.
Yeah.
Thank you, Brian.
Anything else you want?
No, on the kidnap sequence, a pickup shot, Brian.
Yeah.
I want to go tighter on that, make that a three-quarter shot.
Three-quarter shot.
Camera B, over, thank you. Well, Nico, that sounds great. You're good with the changes I made in the whip sequence.
Slow the change.
All right, we're going to put those in, give it a shot. Haley, you mind coming up here? I want to talk over the change I made on your entrance with both of you. We're going to get the truck in position. You're both going to be shopping in the Cairo marketplace here behind us. Now, it's all very casual at first, going to heat up quickly. appreciate that. Check it on both cameras, Dale, for me. Thank you so much. Let's go to places for the pickup shot. Places, everyone, for this pickup shot. Folks, you're going to see this pickup shot. You're going to see some more fire effects. And I want you to know that every fire effect, every explosion you see on my set today is carefully controlled by my team of professional technicians. You see them there at the booth, and you see them around the set. How about a nice round of applause for the crew? Great crew. Well deserved. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. All right, Haley and Nico, we're going to take it from the clothes racks again. This time you're going to burst through with a lot of energy. Bad guys are right under, there you are, Nico. Bad guys are right on your heels. Keep the intensity up. Watch your continuity, both of you, okay? Haley, check out the back of the truck. Zach made that adjustment to the safety loops. I know you looked at it earlier.
I did. It was
I need
great.
you to hold on tight and more importantly, get out of this truck fast, okay?
I'm not staying in there.
All right, close right, you two. All right, let's take a check, Brian. Let's go lockdown.
All right, let's go to one, please. Indian Marion, comes up. Good. Stunt team ready. We're good? All right. We're ready, boss. Cameras ready?
Cameras are ready. Quiet on set, please.
Quiet, please.
Let's roll cameras.
Rolling. Speed.
Stop. 6126 Apple. Cairo pickup. Take one mark.
Truck's hot. All right, everyone, this is our last shot for now because of the rain we got earlier. Let's get this safely and action!
That's right. That's me.
Brian, that is a